manual, and a quick guide. Inside there's a side light, foot pedal, finger cots for book scanning, USB cable, power adapter, work mat, and of course the scanner. Attaching the side light was simple, just line it up and the magnet does the rest. On the back of the side light is a power icon. If it's not lit blue, it's not connected all the way, so jiggle it around until it's blue. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. The USB and power adapters go here. Roll out the mat and place the scanner at the half circle, and you're ready to go. When scanning, you can use the overhead lamp or the side light. I did have issues installing the program. It wouldn't run properly, and I had to keep ejecting it to get it to run. More than likely, it's a Windows issue, but I wanted to comment on this in case it's happening to you. You're not alone. Once you get the program installed, press Scan in the lower right-hand corner to get started. I noticed that the overhead lamp will cause a glare, but what's nice is that you can move around the mat to avoid the light since the scanner covers the entire work mat. If you don't want to deal with that, just toggle to the side light and you're good to go. There are 3 ways to scan: flat single page, facing pages, and manual selection. The flat single page is going to take whatever's on the working mat into a single scan. So when you're looking to do one image, this is your go-to. Facing pages is pretty cool. Mainly for magazines or books, really anything that's bound. The program will split the work area with a dotted line. You line up the middle and you'll get 2 images, and you'll barely see the curvature of the pages. Also, if you're scanning a magazine or book using the facing pages method, you can either let it scan, or you could use the finger cots to spread the pages and the finger cots won't appear in the scan. This is also where the foot pedal comes in handy. You can just step on the pedal and it makes scanning easier with difficult pages. Manual selection allows you to take certain elements of a page for more customization within a scan. Once you finish scanning, you can go back to the main menu and adjust your image, either single or in a batch. There are options to change color, rotate, crop, quality, rename, print, and you can even export it to another program. And there you go, that's CZUR's Aura. The quality of scans I think is better than what I would have gotten with a more traditional scanner. And what I like is that you can place a magazine or book anywhere on the mat and it'll align itself to the upright position. What I like the most about this is how fast you can scan. I'm so used to waiting for the lamp to warm up and having so much downtime in processing the image. I thought this would be the same, but it's super fast and scanning isn't a long drawn-out chore now. The preview on the top of the lamp is a nice addition. You can stand over the work mat, use the finger cots, and then press on the foot pedal. You don't have to go back and forth from the work mat to the computer anymore for those minute adjustments. Okay, so I think the best advantage for this scanner, and it might be more personal preference, but I like that it's not useless when not scanning. I don't need to unplug it and store it away. This can sit on my desk and be a normal lamp too. I like that simple idea because it gives it a reason to stay out, and I can keep my cords and desk more organized.